गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ दैट यू आर शोइंग सो मच लव ऑन माई दिल तो पागल है कोरियोग्राफी द डांस कवर, द कथक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल डांस कवर. Thank you so much guys for showing so much love and liking it. Please be with me and keep showing the same love for my videos and tutorials. And on this popular demand, today I am here with you guys again on this dance covers tutorial. So फिर किस बात की देरी है? Let's start. Now I will be teaching this tutorial in the three segments everyone. So today I will be covering the first segment. So let's start the first segment. So first we'll be covering the 8 beats. 8 beats. So let me teach you first the first 4 beats and the next 4 beats. So the step will be right. I'm stretching out my right foot, then left, then bringing left back, and then right and left. This is the footwork for the first 4 beats. And it will be the same for the next 4 beats. So total 8 beats will have the same footwork. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's start with the hands, guys. So hands will be the hand mudras will be simply very simple. All the fingers are joined together, even thumb also, simply as you are blessing someone, guys. And then, so when I am stretching out my right palm, my right hand will be touching to the shoulder, left shoulder, and then same way other side, the left hand will be touching to the right shoulder. So right, left. And when the third step will come, the third beat, we are stretching them out. Both the hands are stretching out. So 3 and 4. So let's do one more time. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. On the left, they both are joining together and the palms are facing up. So these are the first 8 beats, guys. Now let's do the next 8 beats. For the next 8 beats again, will be, so whatever I am going to teach you for the next 8 beats, it will be, so next 4 beats and the next 8 beats, they will be same step, just like the first 8 beats. So let me teach you the next step, guys. So for that, I will be moving towards my left shoulder and 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I really want if you can go on your toes, taking a whole circle, and then again stretching out right and left. So let's do how the hand movements will be. So for the hands, I'm making a circle with my hand. So they are just going, crossing over my shoulders and making a semicircle. You can say making a semicircle, but the opposite semicircle. Just in the opposite direction we are going, not like this. We are going just the opposite direction and going over my shoulder and then joining together. So what I am doing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. So, na 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 na. So this step also again will repeat for the next 4 beats. So total 16 beats we covered here, guys. So let's go over one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we finished here. Now let's go to the next 8 beats, everyone. The step. Let's learn the step for the next 8 beats. So when you finished here, now after that you tap your left and you position your hand like this. So from here to here. So your right will be positioned here and left is, we are tapping left and when the left left hand is also going up, and then right, we are tapping right, and right hand is going down, shoulder. So you have to arrange your hands diagonally. So what I did, I was here, then 1, 2. On 3, I will be taking my left back and then taking a whole circle. And during that time, your step will be, so let's learn the hand movements also. So first we did left, right. Now take left behind where you are standing, and your left will be positioned here and right will be up. And then take a whole circle and bring it back and tap your right. Now after that, right, left, right, out and back. This is how it is coming inside. So after doing this step, left, right, then take a whole circle. Now right, left, right, then left out. I'm stretching my hand also out and bringing it up, and left foot is going just behind, right here behind my right foot. It's coming in. So for this, I'm making a simple flower. So right, left, right, on right. So 1, 2, 3, out and in. So again in this, my hand is stretching out, my palms are open to upside, and they are going upside. So I'm just turning them out again, and my right is positioned right here. But still my hand movements, our hand mudras are still same. Only I made this flower, so you can just fold it like this. So you have to bring it like this, 1 and here. So 1, 2, 3. So you don't have to make exactly a full flower. Just cross right over left and bring it right in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. So this is your and 4. After this, we'll be coming to the next step, guys. So now we have come to the last step of this segment. So this is how we finished here. Now, please focus on the footwork which I'm going to show you guys. So first, as we are toward the left side, so I'll be tapping my left, right, left, then left, left, right, left. Now, right, left, right, then right, right, left, right. One more time. Left, right, left, then left, left, right, left, right, left, right, then right, right, left, right. And now let's see it with the hand movements. The hand movements are very simple. Left, we are just shifting. 1, 2, 3. So when I did left, right, left, now I have to do left, left, right, left. So for that I will be doing, my left hand will come back to here and my right will be going around and come back here. So when I did left, right, left, then left, left, right, left. Now right, left, right, then right, right, left, right. Again, left, right, left, then left, left, right, left, then 1, 2, 3, then turn, 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 turn. One more time. Left, right, left, then left, left, right, left, right, left, right, then right, right, left, right. So the footwork will be the same, guys, as I told you. Now see the hand movements. First it is going up to the left. So left hand up, then right hand down, then left hand up, then left hand. So when I started moving this my left leg, during that time my left is coming and I started moving my right, towards this side. So, and the same way, right, left, right. Then right, right, left, right. So while I am doing, so suppose I did left, right and left. Now when I start moving my left, during that time I am shifting, I am bringing my left here and right started moving around. So it's starting from left to right. It's going from left to right and coming here. Back to the same position, back to the center position. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left. Left, left, right, left. Right, right, right. Right, right, left, right. So this will be repeating 4 times, guys. So guys, we are finishing today's tutorial with this segment. I will come soon with another segment of this choreography. Till then you practice and get hold of these steps. And I want to request all of you, please, if you are learning from my choreography, from my tutorials, please do tag us and leave your comments, share dance covers with us. I would be really happy to put them in my channel. So guys, thank you so much for your support. I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Till then, take care.